If hogs could talk, they'd have a thing or two to say about feeding time. But since they can't, we got their backs.
So when I do chores, I want everything to be working. And the feeder side of it that's the last of my worries right now. And they just beefed that feeder up a lot, and it's really panned out. I like to work with companies that believe in the same thing I do. So SDI is a great company.
Raising hogs has become an exact science. So has feeding them. We all know that a happy hog is a fat hog, and a fat hog means more money. To build a better hog feeder, you first have to understand hogs and how to make them comfortable while feeding, which is why we have a wider shelf system. You also have to understand hog farmers and what they look for in the quality and design of their feeders.
My experience as a producer and also somebody who has managed barns, I have pretty much seen everything that can go bad and can go wrong. And with that experience, I have learned how to implement changes that need to be addressed and things that can be improved, things that as a producer that I saw that needed to be changed.
Markets are tough. Why should your feeders be any different? We make the most durable, easy-to-use feeders in the business. Feeders engineered for maximum rate of gain and backed by a strong network of experienced dealers. It starts by purchasing only the best materials, specifically certified 304 stainless steel. How do we know it's certified? Because we thoroughly inspect and analyze every piece of steel when it arrives at our plant to make sure it meets SDI's standard of quality. From there, we carefully shear and laser cut our material to exact specifications and form it with precision on press brakes. SDI feeders are engineered with stress levels in mind, so bins and walls are structurally sound. Want to talk accountability? Not only are all of our welds inspected for longevity, each welder puts his initials on every piece he welds. That way, if there's ever an issue, you can track it right to the source for better quality control. That's good peace of mind, because there's nothing worse than having to shut down your operation to climb into the feeding room to perform a spot weld on your feeder.
It gives him a sense of responsibility and personal pride in what he's doing. It also brings accountability. If there is a quality issue, we're able to quickly and permanently resolve the issue. We have personnel within SDI that have actually worked in hog facilities before. They've worked with pigs. They know what the pigs' needs are. We also work very closely with our customers and continually get their feedback from the field, what's actually going on out there, what the needs are. So we collaborate together, and by combining all this information, we're able to produce the quality that SDI is known for.
We thought of everything, including making our feeders easy to clean with fewer spots for bacteria to collect, an exacting adjustment system that stretches your feed more efficiently, right down to on-site, on-time delivery of our top-line products. Take the CSW Central Shutter Wet-Dry Wean-to-Finish feeder, featuring easy squeeze adjustment for consistent ease of use, proper feed space dimensions for greater hog comfort and feed accessibility, a no-waste feed lip designed to save both feed and money, and rugged, heavy-duty 14 and 16 gauge stainless steel, hand-welded by our craftsmen. Need a dry feeder? Our WF and WFV Wean-to-Finish dry feeder also comes with easy squeeze adjustment and proper feed space width for hog comfort and feed accessibility. The WF series comes in two options: solid panel dividers for fewer interruptions because hogs can't see each other, and V-guard dividers that can be easily pressure washed with no splashback. The WF series is designed to be rugged with heavy-duty 18-gauge stainless steel. Or how about the SF015 South feeder with adjustable feed flow for consistent feed with less waste? All sow feeders are designed with 16-gauge stainless steel for rugged durability. Our promise is simple. We will meet the demands of operations large and small while paying attention to the smallest details every step of the way. And by listening to our customers, we're able to adapt and change with demands. You have a job to do. With quality feeders from SDI, you can rest assured you'll get it done.
Our commitment is to provide you with equipment that is designed around our customers' feedback. That is something that we at SDI take very seriously.
SDI, where 21st century technology meets handcrafted durability for feeders that are hog tested, farmer approved.